Hey guys, it's Mr. Blais. I'm going to show you a really fun and quick Google drawing tutorial. This is for our drawing prompt. This is called a mood board. Super fun, and sometimes people would say it's addictive in a good way. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off in Google Drive, and to access Google Drawings, we select New, go down to More, and Google Drawings. And this will start you off in a blank canvas. From here, first thing I want to mention is to make sure to label. We'll call this mood board, color mood board. And what I like to do is tell students, think about an image or color scheme that they would like to incorporate, and that'll help drive this project. You can keep with the basic layout here, or you can come into File, Page Setup, select, I like widescreen, gives me a little more real estate. And then what we'll do from here is we'll start with a background color. I'm going to go with a cool color scheme, and you can always change this. So I'm going to right click or two-finger tap on a trackpad, select background. Let's go with a nice gradient. You can do a custom if you want. You can select, let's say, we'll do a blue, check here, change the color to maybe like a violet. Kind of a nice fade in there. Click OK, and we have a nice color fade. So that'll be our background. Establish that first. Then I want to go to Insert, Image, and you can also, if you find this search a little restrictive, you can also just go to do a general Google search, find and download your image, and then upload it. So you would search on Google, and then once your image is downloaded to your desktop, then you would select Upload, and then any pictures that you have on your desktop you could upload. So for this, what I'm going to do is click Insert, Image, search the web, and on the right hand side you can type in, let's get a cool picture. So I'll go with a blue car, because I like cars. Okay, let's be more specific here if I can. One of my old favorite cars. Let's see if I can find, yes, there it is, Dodge Viper. It's an oldie but a goodie. So I'll start there, and now I'm going to keep all colors related to blue. And now here comes the fun. What you're going to do is you're just going to choose an arrangement, kind of think of like a grid. But if you want to change up your grid, you could take this photo and not just have a grid, but you can select where it says mask image. On the drop down, now here you can change the shape of the photo to like a rounded edge if you want. So that's a neat option. So again, select the picture, select mask image, and then you can change the color, or I'm sorry, not the color. You can change the shape of that photograph. You can do it to anything you want. I like the rounded edge, we're going to stick with that. And I'm going to add a few more images in here, and we're going to go and maybe find some Blue Mountain. I like the mountains. So kind of theme it along things that you like. You can resize it, think about a border, select the image, and I'm going to keep going here, and I'm going to speed things up as I add in the pictures. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually not going to add any more pictures. I'm going to add in some blocks of color and then add a cool quote. So we're just going to go ahead and add in a shape. So you click shape, and then whatever sort of shapes that you want in here that are related, select the fill, and I'm going to select some colors that I like. I don't like having a border, so I'm going to select transparent for the border. And you can, from here, just make the shapes any sort of shape you want. You can right click and copy and duplicate it, and then just change the color up. which I'm going to do. And you can put them right next to each other. Copy another one and keep going with this. I'm going to fill some more in here, so just sit back and watch. Now I'm going to add in some text. To do that, all you have to do is right-click on your shape and then select Edit Text. And we can add some text in. I'm going to add a couple quotes in here, and then we're going to be all done. Enjoy. So don't forget to like the video and comment below if you have any specific questions on anything else we can do with Google Drawing. Thanks so much for watching.